This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a car that has a cracked windshield. So we're going to try to repair that today. And we want to start by taking the vehicle and driving it in the shade so it's not in direct sunlight. Now the first thing we have to do is see if the strike that we have on the windshield can be repaired. It needs to be under an inch, and usually a quarter is a good determination. If it can cover the strike, which in this case it can, we can repair it. Alright, so this one can be repaired. So we want to take a paper towel and clean around the impact area. This is the kit we're going to be using to repair our windshield. They even included a razor blade in there that you'll need, so it's quite complete. Alright, let's get started. Now the next thing we're going to do is take our razor blade and scrape any loose pieces of glass around there. Now I've got my safety glasses on just in case. You don't want anything to fly out of there. And alright, looks like we've got all the loose glass out of there. Now, okay. I threw that paper towel away because it probably had glass fragments on it. Alright, let's go to the next step. Alright, now the next thing we got to do is position this base so the center of this piece right here is directly above the strike area. Okay. The next thing we got to do is to screw in this piece right here. It's called the Resin Chamber. Now right on the end is a rubber tip, and that has to be lightly pressed against the windshield, so when we put the resin in, it will go into the strike. Okay, that should be good. The next thing we need to do is take the repair resin, and about 3 or 6 drops we need to put in there. Now, we want to take this piece, which is the pressure driver, and that will force our resin now. We want to screw that pressure driver in till it's almost all the way in, and then we can check inside and see if it's in the brake. I can't see the cracks anymore. Alright, so we're going to leave that in there for about 4 or 6 minutes. Alright, it's been about 4 to 6 minutes. So now what we're going to do is unscrew the pressure driver here. And we're going to screw it back in just to displace any air that might be trapped in there. Alright, it's been enough of time, so now what we're going to do is we're going to turn both the pieces counterclockwise. Half a turn, and now we can take the unit off the windshield. You can see we're going to put a little resin right here on the strike. And we're going to put this curing strip right there. Now we can take the whole car and drive it into the sunlight for about 5 or 10 minutes, or if we have an ultraviolet light, we can put an ultraviolet light on there, and that will cure that repair. Alright, let's take the curing strip off. Yeah, it's dry. I went in for lunch. Stuck it out in the sun, I don't know, half an hour. $10 usually works. Now, we're going to take the razor blade here and scrape off this resin, and it's going to be white flakes that come off. Now after scraping, if we still have a blemish, we can take a small drop of resin, put it on the blemish, and then put a curing strip over it. Then take the razor blade and force the resin from the remaining blemish. And then we'll let that cure, and then we'll carefully scrape the hardened repair resin from all the areas except the impact area. So that's all there is to repairing a crack in your windshield.